Hello everyone, welcome to Digitron Solution. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate the working demo of project called Carpool app. So this is the complete Android application, and we use two languages called XML and Java to develop this Carpool application. So the Carpool application is a kind of a concept where uh, a car owner can add his car details with uh, all car images, license images, RC images, as well as the insurance images, car registration number, car model name, year, all the data, as well as he can add a new trip, as well as he can uh, update his profile using this carpool application. On the other hand, passenger can search a new trip inside this carpool application. After searching a new trip, he can join that trip, or he can book a trip using this carpool application. So let's see how it works. So so this is my Android phone virtual screen, and right now on screen the carpool application is running, and right now it is showing the sign in screen. So before starting this Android application, first we need to register or sign up as a car owner and a passenger. So first we will start with the car owners section. So I'll click on this don't have an account sign up option. So inside this user sign up, we need to provide this all the details, profile image, first name, last name, etc. So I'll click on this image. Here it will show the three sections: take photo, choose from gallery, and cancel. So I'll select here choose from gallery option, and I'll select here one dummy images from gallery. So next I'll provide here all the details: Ganesh G Ganesh at gmail.com. 123 123 mail. Date of birth year, so select 1990, 22/7 1990. Contact number, and address. So here user registered successfully as a car owner. So next part is, as a car owner I need to sign in. So I'll provide here my registered email ID, ganesh at gmail.com. 123. I'll click on sign in. So after coming inside user role, it will show two options: car owner and passenger. So as a car owner, I'm selecting first option, and after that, inside car owner menu there are several options: add car details, car list, plan journey list, and a update profile. So first we'll go through add car details. So I'll select add car details option, and inside add car details I need to provide four images: car images, RC book images, license images, and insurance images, as well as this all other details. So I'll click on this image. Here once again I need to select choose from gallery option, and here I am selecting first car image. Second image I am selecting one more dummy image as a RC book image. Third image as a license image, and fourth image as a insurance image. So afterwards, after that, we need to provide vehicle registration number, vehicle name, vehicle model, vehicle model year, and after providing all the details, I'm clicking on submit button. So here, here I added car details successfully. I can check the car details inside the car list option. So I'll click on this car list option. So here it will show an item with the car image, car name, car registration number, and car model year. So we'll come back to the menu. So here next, as a car owner, I am planning one journey. So I'll select on plan journey option. So inside this add new trip, here I'll provide from city option as a Belgaum, and to destination city as a Chamrajnagar. Journey date, tomorrow's date as a 23 July Thursday, and tomorrow's time as a morning 9 o'clock AM. As well as I am preferring a gender as a passenger, male or a female. In between I'll select male. I'll select age 20 to 40 in between. Select vehicle name. Already I added one vehicle with this registration number. I'll select that. Rate, car rate per kilometer. So I'm selecting 8 rupees per kilometer, and number of seats. So I'm selecting number of seats 3, and I am submitting these all details. So after submitting these all details, I can check here inside plan journey list. So here right now one item is showing from city to city, date and time of the trip. So here car owner, as a car owner, I added one plan journey, and next option is called update profile. As a car owner, I can update my profile with the profile image, first name, last name, password, select gender, date of birth, and etc. So here I can update my car owner as a profile. So this is a complete section of the car owner. So next, as a passenger, we'll check the next part. So I'll come back to the once again sign in option part. So here as a passenger, I need to sign up. So once again, we'll click on this don't have an account sign up option, and as a passenger, we'll provide all these details. First, we'll provide the profile image. Once again, name, last name, password, gender, date of birth, May 11, 1994, and contact number and address. So after providing all the details, I'll click on the sign up button, and as a passenger, it is registered successfully. So next step, once again same, as a passenger, I need to sign in here. So my email ID, one, two, three, and I'll click on this sign in option. So after signing successfully as a passenger, I am right now inside the user role section. So here as a passenger, I'll select this option as passenger. I'll click on a passenger option, and inside passenger menu there are three options: search trip, book trip, and update profile. So next step, I'll select search trip option, where as a passenger I am searching a trip. So I'll search trip as a source city as a Belgaum, and destination city as a Chamarajnagar, and journey date, tomorrow's date, as a 23, and time morning 9 a.m. and I'll click on the search button. So after clicking on search button, here I am getting one new trip with the car name, car registration number, fare price, and the arrive time. After clicking on this item, I'll get all the details about the trip with the fare price, arrive date and time, etc. So if now I want to join this trip, I'll click on this join trip button. So after clicking on this join trip button, it will show one toast message: trip is booked for you. Means here I successfully booked this trip. So once again we will back to the menu. So I can check my book trip inside this book trip option. So I'll click on this book trips option, and here one item is showing with the source city name Belgaum, destination Chamarajnagar, and below that one option is showing click here to track car. So I can track I can easily track owner car on the Google map. So when I'm clicking on this item, so it is getting the car owner actual location, and right now it is showing the dark blue color marker, and this is the exactly the car owner location. Yeah, this is the current car owner location. So I can track easily the car owner location using the Google map. So this one is feature is present inside this carpool application. And next one option is same, update profile. So using this update profile section, passenger can update his profile with the profile image. So this is the total uh, a package with the passenger as well as a car owner using this carpool application. So if you are interested into this project, go to the description section. You will get one link there, a website link, that you will get more information about this project. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.